Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to deactivate Instagram account step by step. Let's get started. First of all, you have to open the Instagram account and tap on the profile picture located at the bottom right corner. From here, you have to move to the three horizontal lines. Now here, what you have to do is you have to go to the account center and then personal details. Here you will see an option account ownership and control. By tapping on this, you will see an option of deactivation or deletion. Here you have to select the account that you want to deactivate and then select the option either you want to delete or deactivate. So here I'm going to select the option deactivate and tapping on continue. Here you have to read the on-screen instructions and tapping on continue will deactivate your Instagram account. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and share for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching.